uppercut. Ray's in trouble.
What an uppercut! What a shot!
Underdog siya sa laban noong January 22, 2022 na ginanap sa Borgata in Atlantic City, New Jersey. At pagkatapos ng kanyang laban ay ito ang kanyang nasambit.
Thank you guys. This is my dream. My dream come true. Woo! This is my dream since I was a kid, since I'm amateur, and now I'm professional and now I'm champion. This is my dream. Thank you, Sean, BBC, Showtime, thank you. Al Heyman, thank you so much. Woo!
Nagsimulang magboxing si Jessel Mark Araula Magsayo noong siya ay 8 taong gulang pa lamang. Bago siya naging professional boxer ay lumaban na siya sa mahigit 200 amateur boxing contest at naging 4-time amateur boxing champion sa Amateur Boxing Association of the Philippines. Tinaguriang best boxer ng amateur si Magsayo. Noon pa man ay pangarap na ni Mark Magsayo ang maging isang world champion at magbigay ng karangalan sa Pilipinas. Ngunit paano niya ito magagawa? Alam natin na hindi madali ang pumasok sa pro boxing at lalong mahirap ang maging isang world champion. Sundan pa natin kung ano ang naging kwento ng tinaguriang Daang Magnificent.
Pakisapak nga ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bidyong tulad nito.
Umpisahan natin sa unang pro boxing match ni Mark Magsayo. Dito sa match na ito, nakilala natin ang tinaguriang Manny Pacquiao prodigy. Panoorin natin kung paano niya tinapos ang kanyang laban sa unang round pa lamang.
Ang mainit na aksyon sa lona, handog sa inyo ng Pinoy Pride 20. At narito po ang tale of the tape. Si Magsayo 17 years old, si Sandal 19 years old.
Knows his boxing, he says he's very quick, got fast hands, and he's a very promising youngster. Let's see what he does.
Si Magsayo po wearing the black trunks. Samantalang nakapula naman itong si Milton Sandal from Zamboanga del Norte. At tama ka, Ronnie, medyo kahit pa paano mataas ang expectations dito kay Magsayo. Good combination.
Oh, he's down. Ganda. Ganda. Sandali. Si Sandali lang po.
Oo, napasandal agad sa lubid.
Wala na.
And I don't think he's gonna get up.
He beats the count.
Beats the count si Sandal and he's in big trouble.
Yung mga left hook, mabilis ang kamay na ito.
Hindi mo iisipin na bagitong boksingero itong si Magsayo.
Referee didn't see.
Starting out like a house on fire, scoring in knockdown with a big right hand. That's Giselle Magsayo from Tagbilaran City.
Sandal fighting back, trying to fight back. Alam mo na yung problema niya.
Masyadong telegraph yung mga suntok ni Sandal, ano? Maluwag. At mabilis naman ang counter nito si Magsayo.
Alam mo na si Magsayo was member of the national pool but he wanted to turn pro. So he quit the national pool and turned pro. He's got fast hands, moves well, and he's got power. Oh, another good left hook. And Sandal is grabbing. May problema talaga ito, si Sandal. Kasi nakasitong suntok si Magsayo. Of course, alam mo na yung when you make your debut, you're a little excited, di ba? Carried away, so you know, sometimes you throw punches, tend to miss.
At yun nga nakakatakot kapag newcomer ka, first round, medyo may gigil. You have to learn how to pace yourself. Sapagkat, katulad dito, 4 na rounds po ito.
Maganda, cut down.
Cracking right hand from Magsayo.
He hit him with the left uppercut and the right hand. I'm looking at Edito Alabinemo. He's smiling. He doesn't think this guy's going to get up. No, he gives up. He gives up.
Speed and power.
Oh, what an impressive debut for Jessel Magsayo.
At meron pang additional. Circus act.
Sa loob ng 2 taon sa pro boxing ay namayagpag si Mark Magnifico Magsayo at may record na siya na 10 panalo at wala pang talo. Ang kanyang susunod na laban ay kay Rafael Reyes para sa bakanting IBF Youth Featherweight title. Tinapos ni Magsayo ang laban sa pamamagitan ng 5th round technical knockout. Dahil dyan ay panoorin natin ang kanyang naging laban na tinapos niya sa pamamagitan ng stoppage.
The cornerback needs some help, so he came in.
Medyo lumalaban si Reyes. In fact, I gave you previous round number 4 kay Rafael Reyes.
Good combination by Reyes.
Nakapalaban si Smart Magsayo. Right hand.
Alam mo ba, si Magsayo, this is the first time he's really in a fight.
Oo. There is no backing out para kay Reyes. He is coming in with a lot of confidence. May tapang, may lakas, resiliency. At daming mga patama ni Magsayo. But he keeps fighting back, this Mexican.
Oh, good luck by Reyes again. Another hard right to the side of the head. Yung feeling ko, Magsayo wants to take some punches so he can give punches in return. That's not a good uppercut, but that's a dangerous tactic.
Delikado. May kanan si Magsayo. This is a war of attrition. Matira matibay, Ronnie. Magsayo figuring in his toughest fight as a professional. Ito naman si Reyes, dapat El Reclamador, hindi El Guerrerito ang kita-kita yung ulo. Referee Benz again, warning Reyes.
Good overhand right by Magsayo. You know, Magsayo should just, don't worry about this guy, just concentrate on what you have to do. Another beautiful swing.
Hilo si Reyes. What a flurry.
Oh, beautiful right hand. And Reyes must go down. Oh, another cracking right hand. Reyes in trouble.
What an uppercut. What an uppercut. What a shot by Magsayo.
What a beautiful combination by Magnifico.
Dinepensahan naman ni Mark Magsayo ang kanyang IBF Youth Featherweight title laban kay Yardley Suarez noong July 11, 2015. Panoorin natin kung paano tinapos ng tinaguriang Magnificent ang kanyang kalaban sa first round knockout.
3 knockdown rules in effect. No standing 8 count. Cannot be saved by the bell in any round. Only the referee can stop the fight.
Okay, so this is a 10-round fight para sa IBF Youth Featherweight Championship. Mark Magsayo naka-black at ang kanyang kalaban mula Mexico nakaputi, si Suarez.
Matangkad talaga to si Suarez. I couldn't see it earlier. So you can see the difference now.
Pero this is a really malaking test para kay Magsayo, who they say was magnificent in sparring. So good kaagad siya, trying to be aggressive.
Needs to calm down, to relax, and stay with the game plan. Kasi minsan, makikita mo yung aggressiveness because of the nervousness.
Good left-right combination mula kay Magsayo. That tells a good statement early on. Importante yung mga unang landing.
Well, it did solidify a good strength and a body.
Ganda, straight to Magsayo.
Good combination. That was a very good combination from Magsayo.
That was solid. Did you see that body shot? Wow. Full of power, huh?
I'm very impressed right now. Very impressed with Magsayo. The way he's feinting, the way he's looking at the opponent. Although, you don't know kasi hindi natin alam kasi yung mga Mexicano mabagal. They're slow starters. Very good left foot again.
Oh, solid.
Oh, very good.
Pero nandiyan lang si Suarez, oh. Parang hindi siya nasasaktan.
But you have to be aware kasi malakas dito si Suarez with his wrist. Oh, good overhand. He's out.
Wow.
One left foot.
What a machine. Magnifico Magsayo. A flurry and
Out. That was a good combination.
Suarez is down. Unang round pa lang. Wow.
I'm very impressed with Mark Magsayo.
kanyang sunod na nakalaban ay si Eduardo. Kitang-kita natin kung paano namayagpag sa mga unang taon ng kanyang pro boxing si Mark Magnifico Magsayo sa kanyang pagdepensa sa kanyang WBO Youth Featherweight title laban kay Chris Avalos noong April 23, 2016 ay tinapos niya ang laban sa isang 6-round technical knockout. Panoorin natin.
Good left.
Pero that left hook, good right on the inside.
And right to the side of the head.
And ito na pagkakataon para tapusin. Good right hand to the left.
Avalos putting the pressure on Magsayo. Magsayo.
Oh, good exchange. Pero
it's an enthralling fight.
Magsayo, don't let emotions relax.
Good.
Here we go. Alam mo yung mga tao, bawat sports center. Oh, good double left by Magsayo on the left.
He must not be careless. Good right hand.
Good right hand.
He hurt Avalos. He's weak. Maniwala ka.
Another right hand.
Holding.
Nagulpedigulat si Magsayo.
Good
Si
right.
Avalos is hurt. Avalos is hurt. Gulpedigulat from Magsayo. Magsayo with a cracking left.
Another right and a left. He's catching Magsayo. He's catching Avalos. Avalos in trouble.
Avalos is hurt. Avalos is hurt. Magsayo. What power.
Speed and power, and Avalos is in deep trouble. Another cracking left and a right.
But the only problem is he might punch himself out.
Oh no.
Nagulangtan siya.
Si Magsayo.
Another one. At napakalibaw pa na.
See, hinabi ni Avalos, he can't hurt me. To a counter. Because he didn't come to you. Oh, good
Assault. Ibang klase talaga. Yun ang sinasabi ko iwasan na. Of course, Brian Francisco and Avalos.
Like that effort by Magsayo. The overhand right behind the head. Magsayo.
Oh, big left. The Birds are making a huge comeback. And he's falling again with that right. He better...
Getting caught with...
Oh, right to the body. This is a test of...
Final test.
Work on his combinations. Work on putting his punches together. Tayo. After a splendid round number 2.
Yes, I saw that. You're supposed to protect yourself.
You have to keep your guard up. That's the number 1 rule. I'm dedicating my super combination.
He should fight.
Big left again.
They're going to knock out the opponent when they come to fight.
You have to find out to sign on which part. Oh, big left. Oh, big left hook. Big left hook. He hurt Avalos.
Avalos in
fight. We have a war. Magsayo. Avalos pressing forward. Oh, good shot. Good shot. He hurt Avalos.
Avalos in trouble.
Holding on.
He might stop the fight.
Arms and legs, Ronnie. Arms and legs. He's in big trouble. Right.
What a comeback.
One of the best we've seen. Oh, big left again by Magsayo. Oh, cracking left.
He should stop the fight.
Nakalaban naman ni Magsayo si Isa Nampepeche noong April 27, 2017 sa isang non-title bout. Tinapos ni Magsayo ang laban sa isang agresibong first round knockout.
We have dito sa Pilipinas, Mark Magnifico Magsayo, unbeaten 15 professional bouts with 11 knockouts. Takes on the fighter from Tanzania wearing the blue trunks, nakaitim na trunks, ating kababayan na si Mark Magsayo.
And Nampepeche starting off with a good left jab, trying to set the pace by trying to box from the outside. Alam niyang slugger ang kanyang kalaban, so he sticks the jab, but then that jab repelled the aggressive Magsayo.
Magsayo is the WBO International Featherweight Champion. Everybody remembers yung kanyang makapigil hiningang panalo kontra kay Chris the Hitman Avalos, who was a former world title challenger in a fight that Magsayo learned how to deal with adversity and come back to win.
Oo, bumagsak siya doon kay Chris Hitman Avalos, but he came roaring back to stop. Hey! Bring up, Avalos. One of the most exciting fights na nakita natin dito sa kasaysayan ng Pinoy Pride, ha? So
That was a big learning experience para kay Magsayo. That was part of the undercard ng bakbakan Donaire, Benito Donaire Jr. at Bedak.
Oo, yung Bedak. In this last fight, Magsayo went the distance kontra kay Ramiro Robles, but he did knock down Robles in rounds 2 and 7 before settling for a decision.
Oh! Early
6,
knockdown
7,
by Mark Magnifico Magsayo.
He is slow getting up. That was a counter left thunderbolt from Magsayo. Here we go.
Yan ang puwersa na taglay ni Mark Magnifico Magsayo. Bagsak na naman. Itong si Isa ng Pepeche. At tinigil na ni referee Tony Tesos ang bakbakan. Eksplosibong panalo para kay Magnifico Mark Magsayo.
Ladies and gentlemen, here at Pinoy Pride 40, referee Tony Pesons waves off the bout. The time, 2 minutes and 5 seconds of the very first round. Your winner by TKO and still undefeated from the Philippines, Mark Magnifico Magsayo.
Sa ikatlong pagkakataon ay dinepensahan ni Mark Magsayo ang WBO Youth Featherweight title laban kay Daniel Diaz noong July 8, 2017. Tulad ng dati ay tinapos niya ang laban sa isang first round technical knockout. Dahil dito, panoorin natin ang kanilang naging highlights.
Sa 122-pound division, he knocked down Marroquin and then outgot him the rest of the way. He plans to do the same thing dito kay Mark Magsayo. Magsayo starting out well, ano? Tama-tama muna. Dahan-dahan muna, malaking kalaban, huwag magmadali, huwag bara-bara dahil yung nga naging flow niya nung una kay Chris Avalos.
Tama.
Oo. Una kung naibubuga na yung katunggali.
Kilala sa kanyang power mula sa kaliwat kanan to si Mark Magsayo, undefeated, perfect record. Wow. Ito.
El General napasaludo sa loob ng isang round kay Magnifico Mark Magsayo. Magsayo, careful, very careful in the opening minute and then suddenly exploding.
Okay, let's go over now to the ring.
Ladies and gentlemen, the end comes 1 minute and 45 seconds in the very first round. The winner by TKO victory, ladies and gentlemen, from Tagbilaran City, Bohol, Mark Magnifico Magsayo!
Talaga namang panalong-panalo ang Pinoy Pride, Mark Magsayo. Noong May 25, 2017, ay nag-expire na ang kanyang kontrata sa Ala Promotions. At noong June 4, 2017, ay nag-announce na si Magsayo na mayroon na siyang bagong promotions. Sa kabila ng pagiging matikas at malakas sumuntok ng ating kababayan Pinoy Pride, Mark Magnifico Magsayo, ay may nakikitang mga kahinaan ang kanyang mga katunggali. Sa pro boxing ay hindi laging knockout ang panalo. Umaabot din ito sa unanimous decision at ang kanyang kahinaan ay nakikita ng kanyang kalaban na maaaring magamit nila sa kanyang mga future bouts. Alamin natin kung ano ang mangyayari kay Mark Magsayo sa kanyang bagong promotions at sa pag-abot niya ng kanyang pangarap para sa kanyang world title bout. Ang susunod na video ang tatalakay sa mga ito.